Right, so today we are going to see how to format card reader, memory card using card reader. So one software will be there. This is going to be useful for when we go for the installation of Raspberry Pi image in our memory card. So I will be using SD card formatter. Already I have plugged in memory card using card reader. So it is showing here. So just select it, your card, memory card, then click on quick format, then click on format. So this will erase the any available data from the memory card, and memory card will be totally empty so that we can install the Raspberry Pi image in our memory card, and that can be used for running the Raspberry Pi. So it's very simple.